Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Margie.
All right.
Margie, you got all your paperwork, Margie?
I believe I did. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Judge,
All
may I
right.
be excused?
Yeah, thanks, Margie.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Okay.
While we wait, Judge, I imagine you watched the Masters.
I did.
I thought that was
Yeah.
awesome. Did you?
Everybody was trying to choke that tournament away. My goodness.
I didn't know if you were rooting for the Irishman.
It was like a train wreck. Now, he's not really an Irishman. He's a Northern Irishman. There's a difference.
Oh, I was not aware. Okay.
Now, Shane Lowry is an Irishman. The big guy with the beard, But no, I mean, it's good to get that monkey off Rory's back. I mean, 11 years trying to win that,
Grand Slam.
lead the career Grand Slam. So, and I like DeChambeau, but man, he never knew where his irons were going. He couldn't deal in the distance.
Yeah.
Judge, real quick, Brenda's here. Brenda, you got an offer on your cases, Brenda?
I do, but I'm still concerned about the paperwork being in Spanish.
Okay, because he's got an ice hole. That's why I sent Spanish paperwork. Is he a total English
I don't
speaker?
Spanish. And it wants me to fill out the Spanish part.
Yeah, but does he speak English?
Well, I need to.
Yeah, so go talk to him.
I haven't given him the offer yet either.
He speaks Spanish, Ms. Levinson.
Then we need an
Only?
interpreter, Tara.
You want to just give
Only.
somebody else? Because we don't have an interpreter, right?
Yeah, well, I can get one. Yeah.
Or you just want to give it to a Spanish speaker and set it for tomorrow or something?
That's fine.
I can't set it for tomorrow, Judge. I can
no?
set it. Well, because the dockets are out and the docket is
He's got an
already-
ice hold. He's not going anywhere.
Right. Do you not have an offer? Do you?
If you can get an interpreter, I mean,
I can.
Okay. Okay. And you sent me so I guess I need to look and make sure I've finished the paperwork.
The interpreter's logging in now. Miss Livingston, I'm moving you to room 3. That's where your client is. As soon as the interpreter gets here, I will put her in that room with you in just a moment. Sabrina, what's the offer on this case so I can let the bailiffs know which cases we're going on?
Let me look.
It's got an assault of resisting and a failed to ID.
Yeah, I believe it's we're gonna TIC the fail to ID, but let me just make
Okay,
sure.
got it. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so we're gonna plea on the resisting and ABI and then TIC the fail to ID.
Failed to ID. So it's only 2 cases. Let me let the bailiff know. Did you hear that, Alex? Only the first 2 cases we're going on De La Fuente.
Good.
Okay, and here's the interpreter. Good morning, interpreter. I'm going to move you to room 3 to good morning. I'm going to move you to room 3 to confer with to go over with the attorney. Miss Beck is here. Let me see. Is she?
Yes.
Terry, Arlene's not coming up as far as interpretation. I don't know.
Yes.
Her name has got to be on there.
It's not. Celine just
not?
came up, but no Arlene.
Let's see, Miss Beck, good morning. It looks like your client, Crowder, is that who you're here for, Jessica Crowder?
Yes, Terry.
Yeah, she refused again to be interviewed for a PR bond, so I guess they're gonna send it off somewhere else, but she refused again.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. We'll see you next time.
All right, bye-bye.
When she first got in here, Judge, it said Norma Nero. Do you see
Yeah,
that?
I'm trying to add interpreter and there's nobody coming up. Like in the drop-down menu, there's no interpreters at all coming up.
Huh, that's weird. You might have to get out of it and redo it again, Judge.
This was my
Yeah.
fourth time getting out of it and redoing it.
Oh. Huh. All righty.
Are they changing offices or something? Because it was weird the other day too.
Oh, wow, Judge, really? No, Judge, they're in
Remember the other
same
day that
office.
other girl came in and she was under the wrong name? Let me
Huh.
just type in Norma Nero and no,
No,
no, no. Let me try to just type in Arlene.
because now it's Arlene, not unless you need the cook. I'm
Yeah,
gonna have to ask. Oh, maybe because she's in a breakout room. I don't know. Maybe that's why it doesn't pick it up. We'll see.
It's never affected it before. Normally when I do
Oh, really?
interpretation, all of a sudden on the drop-down menu, it's there.
Oh, okay.
Nope. Nope.
Damn. Hey, calm down there, Friday.
This is fucking this on.
Yeah, I know sisters I had in school. Yeah, that's-
Hey, Terry, are we gonna do this plea or what? What are we doing here?
Let me go in there and ask Judge. Let me
Yeah,
see
this
what's-
is the longest I've ever waited for one guy. I mean, this is
All right,
crazy.
Judge. Yeah, let me join. Judge, you said a few more minutes there. He's signing paperwork as we speak.
Okay.
I think we're ready. Did the paperwork go to the judge?
I only got one of them.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry it's taking so long. I want to make sure he knows all his rights and it's through an interpreter and the paperwork is in English and Spanish. So
What paperwork do you have, Judge? Because if he needs to sign,
I've got 4822.
4822, Alex is missing one.
okay, I'll go back. Can you give me the link to oh, here we go.
I can hear you on. Terry, can you send Arlene back to auxiliary 3 so she can tell the guy to sign?
Yes, Judge. Yeah. Arlene is going to, hold on. Arlene, I can't move you. By next to your name, you have 3 dots. Move yourself back to 3. If you can do that. If not, I'll have to move you to room 4 and then back to 3. Tell me what you can do. Let, uh, uh, Arlene, let me move you to 4, Arlene, and then I'll move you to 3. Go ahead and move to 4. There you go.
All right, there it is. Alex, just make sure that bench is on Spanish.
All right, sir.
Sí, lo escucho perfecto.
All right, it's
Ok, está bien.
2025 CC 004822, State of Texas versus Ernesto de la Fuente. Are you Ernesto de la Fuente?
Sí, soy yo.
Good morning, sir. Could you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Sí, lo juro.
All right, thank you, Mr. De La Fuente. You can lower your hand, sir.
Ujú.
Mr. De La Fuente, is it okay with you that we proceed by video conference?
Sí, está bien, no hay ningún problema.
Thank you, sir. In case number 004822, you are excuse me, you are charged with the offense of resisting arrest, search, or transportation. That is a Class A misdemeanor, punishable by up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Do you understand, sir?
Sí,
Mr. De La Fuente, you have several rights at this time. They apply to both of your cases. You have the right to remain silent, all three of your cases, actually. And you also have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in these cases. Mr. De La Fuente, what that means, sir, is you could ask the state of Texas to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where your lawyer can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During those proceedings, Mr. De La Fuente, your attorney can call as many witnesses as she would like for you or on your behalf in front of those same juries. Mr. De La Fuente, do you understand, sir, that you have those rights in these cases?
sí, sí entiendo perfectamente.
Do you also understand, sir, that you do not have to give up those rights?
Ujú, sí,
Okay, but if you want to give up your rights in these cases, you can, sir, and you do it by filling out this paperwork for me called the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. Mr. De La Fuente, did you go over this paperwork in Spanish with your attorney before you signed it?
sí, sí lo revisé.
Do you understand what's in these documents?
Sí,
Fantastic, because these documents tell me in all of your cases that you understand what you're charged with, you understand the range of punishment, and you further understand you have all of those trial rights that we just talked about. But you're telling me, Mr. De La Fuente, that you want to give up all those rights so that you can enter into agreements with the state of Texas on these cases. Is that what you would like to do, sir?
ok, sí.
Thank you, sir. Then I will approve your waivers and have them filed with the papers in each cause. Mr. De La Fuente, evidently you have a plea bargain in this case. The first thing you need to understand, sir, I don't have to go along with your agreement. However, if I don't go along with your agreement for any reason, I will allow you to withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything you say in the next few minutes will not be held against you. Mr. De La Fuente, please listen up. The state of Texas is going to tell us what the plea bargain is. Let's make sure it is what you agreed to in this case. Go ahead, Sabrina.
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement's for a $0 fine, court costs, 15 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that this judgment be satisfied. The state will also be taking into consideration cause number 2025 CC 004823. And this case will also run concurrent with cause number 2024 CC 740185.
Brenda Levenstein, is that the agreement?
It is.
Mr. De La Fuente, is that what you agreed to, sir?
Sí,
All right, Brenda. Does your client have a rational as well as factual understanding of these charges and proceedings against him?
Yes.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
Yes.
In your opinion, is he legally competent to waive his rights and enter into these pleas?
Yes, I believe so.
All right. Mr. Ernesto De La Fuente, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
no, no lo soy.
Do you understand, sir, that a plea on a case like this could have serious adverse effects upon your immigration status?
Sí,
All right, thank you, sir. In 2025 CC 004822, Mr. De La Fuente, how do you plead to the Class A misdemeanor offense of resisting arrest, search, or transportation? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
no me pongo.
Do you understand, sir, that I can still find you guilty based upon that plea?
Sí,
Has anybody forced you, threatened you, put you in fear, or promised you anything to make you plead?
No, no.
You are doing so freely and voluntarily, sir.
Sí.
All right. Thank you, Mr. De La Fuente. I will accept your plea of no contest. Upon that plea, I find you guilty of resisting arrest, search, or transportation, Class A misdemeanor. I assess punishment at 0 fine, the cost of court 15 days in the Bexar County Jail. Cost of court and the time will run concurrent. This case will run concurrent with 2024 CC 740185. I will give you credit for time served, so the judgment in this case, Mr. De La Fuente, is satisfied by the time you've already served. I will also take into consideration and dismiss 2025 CC 00483. Mr. De La Fuente, this was a plea bargain. You do not have a right to appeal. Mr. De La Fuente, any questions about that case before we proceed on your next?
No, ninguna pregunta.
Okay, good. Let's go to your next case, sir. This is clause number 2024 CC 740185. Mr. De La Fuente, in this case, you are charged with the offense of assault causing bodily injury. That is also a Class A misdemeanor, sir. So the range of punishment is the same as in the last case. That is up to a $4,000 fine and up to a year in the Bexar County Jail. Do you understand, sir?
Sí, sí entiendo.
All right, Mr. De La Fuente, you have the exact same rights in this case as you had in the last. That is the right to remain silent, confront the witnesses against you, and have a jury trial. However, sir, I have the exact same documentation in this case as I had in the last, telling me that you understand you have all of these rights, but would like to give them up so that you can get into a plea bargain with the state of Texas on this case as well. Is that what you'd like to do, Mr. De La Fuente?
Sí.
Thank you, sir. Then I will approve your waivers in this case and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Mr. De La Fuente, you have a plea bargain in this case as well. You already know I don't have to go along with it, but don't worry. I will let you withdraw your plea and start over again if I do not follow your agreement. So, Mr. De La Fuente, listen up. The state of Texas is going to tell us what the plea bargain is in this case, which is 740185. Let's make sure it is what you agreed to. Go ahead, Sabrina.
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement's for a $0 fine, court costs, 15 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that this judgment be satisfied. The state will also be taking into consideration cause number 2025 CC 004823. And this case will run concurrent with cause number 2025 CC 004822.
Brenda Levinstein, is that the agreement in this case?
It is.
Mr. De La Fuente, is that what you agreed to in this case, sir?
Sí.
All right, thank you, sir. Brenda, does Mr. De La Fuente have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against him in this case?
Yes.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses to this charge?
Yes,
And do you believe him to be legally competent to waive his rights and enter this plea?
I do.
All right, Mr. Ernesto De La Fuente, I know you are not an American citizen. Do you understand, sir, that a plea on a case like this could have serious adverse effects upon your immigration status?
Sí, sí, sí entiendo.
Okay, good, sir. Please tell me, sir, how you pleaded the Class A misdemeanor offense of assault causing bodily injury. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No me opongo.
You understand, Mr. De La Fuente, I can still find you guilty.
Sí.
Has anybody forced you, threatened you, put you in fear, or promised you anything to plead on this case?
No.
You are doing so freely and voluntarily, Mr. De La Fuente.
Sí.
All right, thank you, sir. I will accept your plea of no contest in this case. I find you guilty of the offense of assault causing bodily injury, a Class A misdemeanor. I assess punishment at 0 fine, the cost of court 15 days in the Bexar County Jail. The cost of court and the time will run concurrent. This case will run concurrent with 2025 CC 004822. I will give you credit for time served in this case, so this case, Mr. De La Fuente, is satisfied by the time you've already served. I will also take into consideration and dismiss 2025 CC 004823 in consideration for your plea in this case. Mr. De La Fuente, this was also a plea bargain. You do not have a right to appeal. Mr. De La Fuente, do you have any questions on this case, sir?
No, ninguna pregunta.
Okay, then you take care of yourself. Good luck to you, sir, wherever you're going, okay?
Good luck to you.
Thanks, Brenda.
You're welcome. Sorry it took so long.
Thank you, Arlene.
Yeah, that's it. Thanks, Arlene. Bye.
Should be open and all.
All right, let me finish that last dismissal that Sabrina sent me, and we should be good.
Is it open?
Oh, Angelise, you're good. Sorry. We'll see you tomorrow, okay?
All right. Thanks, everyone. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.
All right, there's nobody else to ask if they got everything, Terry, so I guess we're good. Sabrina, thanks. I'll see you tomorrow, all right?
Okay,
I'm
thank
sorry,
you.
Judge. I don't have a dismissal just yet. It may have gone, but I just haven't received it. I'm sorry to interrupt.
Yeah, I
Okay.
just signed it. That's
Oh,
why
he
I
just-
just sent it.
Perfect. Let me just
I
receive
didn't
that.
know
Thank you,
I
Judge.
thought you were gone, Alvaro. I thought you hit
No.
the skids already. I wouldn't have blamed you if you did.
And I just received that, Judge. Thank you. Y'all have a good
Perfect.
evening.
All right, see you in the
Bye.
morning.
All right, thanks.
All right, Judge. That's it, Judge. Thank you.
Bye, Sabrina.